In experimental research, subjects are randomly assigned to a treatment. Randomly assigned means every member of the sample has equal chance to being placed in control. During the trial, random assignment is the way of placing participants from your sample into different treatment groups using randomization. So, randomization assignment is the key part of experimental design. It helps you ensure that all groups are comparable at the start of the study. Any difference between them are due to random factor, not research biases like sample biases and selection biases. So, why blinding is important? Importance of blinding. Blinding in the study is important to avoid research biases in all type of scientific research. Now, you have to understand the importance of blinding. Blinding means withholding which group each participant has been assigned to. Blinding in a study is an important to avoid research biases in all type of scientific research. Blinding help ensure a study internal validity or the extent to which you can be confident any link you find in your study is a true cause and effect relationship. Blinding reduces selection biases, treatment biases, observer biases, and analysis biases by blinding. Let's understand different type of blinding. Blinding studies are mainly three types: single blinding, double blinding, triple blinding. So, single blinding occur in many different kind of studies, but double and triple blinding are mainly used in medical research. So, let's discuss about single blinding. In a single blind experiment, participants do not know which group they have been placed in until after the experiment has completed. Single blinding basically reduces the treatment biases. So in single blind study, participant is blinded, means participant is not aware about treatment, but researcher and data analysis team are aware. Suppose new flu vaccine trial is going on. In order to test the effectiveness of your new treatment, run an experiment giving half of group your participant the flu vaccine and other half of group received dummy vaccines or inactive drug or placebo. So, in single blind study, you hide from participant which vaccine are real or which are inactive drug. Each of them they received. As I told you, it always single blinded is always help to reduce the treatment biases. Let's discuss double blind study. Double blinding means when the researcher administered the experimental treatment are aware of each participant group assigned, they may treat those the control group differently from those in the treatment group. It could reveal the participant, their group assignment, or even directly influence the outcome itself. In double blind experiments, the group experiment is hidden from both the participant and the person administering the experiment. Double blinded help to reduce observer biases. So, there is a three team, we can say participant, researcher and data analysis team. In double blinded case, participant is not aware about the drug. Even researcher is also unaware about that drug. So, This is blinded study, two blinded study. Let's see the example. In the flu vaccine study that is running, recruited several experimenters to administer your vaccine and measure the outcome of your participant. In these experimenters knew which vaccine are active and which one have inactive drug. They might accidentally reveal this information to participant, thus influencing their the behavior and indirectly the result. They could even directly influence the result. For instance, if experimenter expect the vaccine to result is lower level of flu symptom, they might accidentally measure symptom incorrectly, thus making the vaccine appear more effective than it really is. To avoid this, you hide group assignment from both the participant and experimenter giving the vaccine. So, this is double blinding study. Now, let's discuss triple blinding. Triple blind study occur when group assignment is hidden not only from participant and administrator but also from those tasked with analyzing the data after the experiment has completed. Triple blinding help to analysis biases. Researcher may accept the certain outcome, analyze the data in different way until they arrive at the outcome they expected. So in triple blinding, I can say participant of study, researcher of study and data analyst team. No one is aware about the treatment. So let's see the example. In your vaccine study, you have also recruit assessment as a assistant to analyze the data you gather on the infection rates. You decide to hide the group assignment from the participant and people of administering team and people analyzing the data. This is triple blind study. So what is the benefit of that? To achieve triple blinding, you assign each participant group 1, group 2, but do not inform the data analyst which number represent in which group. So, it always help to analyze biases. In summary, I can say single blinding single blinding study help to reduce the treatment biases and double blinding study reduce the observer biases and triple blinding study help to reduce the um, analysis biases. Now let's discuss unblinding studies. Unblinding studies in some situation can be unintentional unblinding or intentional unblinding. An unblinded study in a clinical trial where the treatment or participant received known to the research team and the participant. And study also called open label study because all parties involved have access to treatment information since participant and researcher know which treatment they are receiving. It can introduce biases into the study result due to the subjective interpretation or altered behavior based on the treatment knowledge. If this is the case, then what is the purpose of unblinded study? Unblinding study used in situation basis where the blinding is difficult or not ethically feasible, such as when studying a surgical procedure or when the treatment effect. Sometimes for safety reason also, in some cases, unblinding is necessary to protect participant safety, such as if serious adverse events occur during the clinical trial. The decision to conduct an unblinded study should be well justified and clarify, outline the study of protocol. Overall, blinding is crucial methodological strategy in clinical trial to minimize biases, and ensuring the reliability of the study finding. Unblinding should be carefully monitored, managed, documented to maintain the integrity of the trial.